Where are you
now?
right now?
Huh? Where are you right now?
It's in the farm.
Oh.
It's in the farm. It's in PNCC farm.
This is we in a ugly house.
Ugly house.
You do ugly house ka dyan.
I called it a ugly house.
Ugly house.
No ugly house.
House lang.
Small house
Ugly,
and
grabe naman
and
to. It's a small house lang.
and you're drinking ha at the farm.
Yeah. I see some
Grabe, may
many
nag-college ka na naman.
trees in the
Dapat may kanina nag-shades ka.
mountains. I
Mukha mo.
see some
Oo, magana.
trees everywhere.
Allergy ka sa araw. Ikaw ka.
It's overlooking. Look. There. It's so beautiful. It's overlooking.
Yeah.
And we will have camping later. Okay, we will set up our tent. Look, we have 3 tents.
But where?
Oh, because ang pinakadulo ako umano. Nakitan ko dito, damo na nira pinanmulod na kawayan. Tapos yung